Hello, everyone. This is Peter Copsis with Gibbs Landscape Company, showing you guys a beautiful estate here in Buckhead, Atlanta, that we designed, installed, and do maintain. You can see the formal horn beams here, perfectly sculpted, all of the boxwoods, the beautiful Boston ivy that is on the guest house on the back side of the property. As you move this way, you can see the containers. This garden is completely done in an English cottage style. As we move back up through here, we have the pool area. You can see the cooking station with the big green egg that our clients use regularly. Our team is working right here, but you can see the beautiful spalliated pear tree. It does fruit as well, which is super cool. Then as we move back through this way, just the sculpted creeping fig across the walls, another pair here. Again, Peter Copsis, Gibbs Landscape Company.